Another way that we can connect to our database that we have up and running with Docker is as following. So here you saw that we connected using the terminal. And in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say backslash, I think it's Q. So this exits out of PSQL, and then command and then control D, it comes out completely from the container. And if you want to go back, just type docker exec it postgres bash and then psql-u amigos code, and off you go. So let me just say backslash Q here and then control D, and let me close this. Now, if you're using the Ultimate Edition, you can basically use this database client. So click on it and then add a new data source, and you can use Postgres here because I think it was the recent, but it should be on this list right here. So select Postgres, and then the name, you can leave it as the default, the host, localhost, and the port right here is 54. So we have 5332. Remember, we changed this. Then for the user, so let's actually basically use Amigos code. So this is set up in our Docker Compose. The password was password. So password. And then the database, we can connect to Postgres, or we also have a database called Amigos code. Nice. So let's basically, if you don't have the driver, you need to download. So in my case, let me just update the driver. So it's downloading. There we go. Now let me test the connection, and you can see that it succeeded. So let me just basically click out, click away, and then say apply, okay, and check this out. So now we basically are connected. So we can see all the schemas. So got it. And you can see right here, if I click on it, we can see Amigos code, the default database, but you also see Postgres. And as we create databases, we can see all of them in here. And if I expand this, you can see Amigos code, click on it, you can see the public schema. So basically there's nothing inside. You can see the objects. So these are the methods, extensions, languages, the roles. So you see that we have Amigos code and all of these default roles and table spaces. So also, so if I collapse this in here, we can switch here. So we can switch to Postgres if you want to. And basically these are the schemas right here. I've just selected that, and you can see that it's done the switch for us, even though we already were within Amigos code. Cool. So now that we have this, now that we have connected, what we could do also is in here, we could right click, new, and then database. But we're going to add a database in a second. So for now, I just wanted to show you how to connect to it. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.